Omo, my people no be small thing o. I don talk and say some enemies na betrayer. Una no see say they don go leave Anita Joseph. How many times una see say Anita Joseph dey follow dem go abroad? She get money. She wey she dey feed her tomboy. E dey shock una say Anita Joseph no dey support Queen May again. E no suppose to shock anybody. As we dey so, nothing dey shake us again, Queen May nation. She see say Queen May don come pass her level. You know say that time she dey feel say na she be Anita Joseph, she be superstar. She even shock how priceless hair carry pass her. Queen May from nowhere is now the superstar. If they go for event, everybody is Queen May, is Queen May. She, Anita Joseph, na old school people know her. Anita Joseph should be around 69 years old. You understand? Because when she started acting 1980. How old was she? She's an adult that time. So e dey shock dem say Queen May make progress pass dem. Na wetin dey shock dem, dey make their body dey do foko. Anita Joseph dey come say make we comot mouth for Queen May matter. Whether Queen May send us, make we allow dem rest. Who be Anita Joseph? And we dey remind Queen May. How you carry know say we dey remind Queen May? Queen May complain give you? Abi na yo complain give you? Abi na Juju Ekwensu complain give you? Auntie, let us know. Let us know that they have moved on. The pikin is beautiful. Why would they totori small pikin? Who totori small pikin? When Kambili die, you know see wetin dem do. Anita Joseph was never a friend. Of all the things to discuss for this world, na Queen May, because she knows say na how she go carry remain relevant be that. She knows say if she no talk about Queen May, she can never ever be relevant. Na make una see her run, carry chair sit down, come dey talk about Queen May. Nonsense. Nonsense. My brothers and sisters, no be small matter o. No be small matter. I laugh in Japanese. I laugh in Japanese. My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small matter. Anita Joseph, since you don become mouthpiece, maybe we sef go send you. Go tell Yo say time don reach make him sign that divorce paper. Why he no wan sign the paper? That one your eye no dey see am. Na the one wey no concern you, she go dey run her mouth pete. Jealousy. Jealousy is the root of evil. Pain, is that you? Why e dey shock una for Anita Joseph? The same Anita Joseph wey marry small pikin. Anita Joseph get 3 children wey she live for village with her mama. Carry one small boy wey be 24 years old, marry, put for house. Say him name na MC Fish. Say him dey sing. Abeg, which kind music that one don sing? Say she go wake up in the night, how you no go wake up in the night, pound yam for am? If you no pound yam for am, you no know say go leave you. Yes, him go leave you. See, our prayer be say, may God begin expose all the enemies of Queen May. We don't see how God don dey do am. One by one, they will show their true color. Queen May don move on. E dey pain her say Queen May wan go launch her product for UK. E dey pain her. Nothing dey like that too. Anita Joseph, I'm very sure na she, God dey. Why were we not seeing this thing? All that time, na she dey carry Queen May news. They give yo. Thank God say Queen May no dey do bad thing in the first place. Oh, see jealousy. Queen May complain give you. If we look into the details now, advertising of her product will be what is making her to make this U-turn. Yes. God will be with you, Queen May. Because he don't see it all of a sudden. Now she be the actress. Queen May is not making it. So she confess say if she support yo, it go make her shine as an actress. Anita Joseph, your time don't pass, your time don't pass. Face your tomboy where you dey feed. Wetin make una feel say Anita Joseph no go support Judy Austin? Is she not also a husband snatcher? She is also a husband snatcher now. So if she no come support Judy Austin, how she won't carry justify her own snatching? So she need to justify her snatching. So she need to support them. You understand? Python of 3 children. You understand? Juju Ekwensu can never ever be compared to our Queen May. Now jealousy go buy anybody we can't talk about Queen May. Jealousy go buy all of now. This mad woman, we be say she gets sense. God, though, anybody in Queen May cycle, expose them again. Expose them. They no believe the kind place where God carried Queen May they go. They no expect where God carried Queen May they go. Where Queen May they go, they didn't see it coming. So they can no longer hide their jealousy. The way their body they do them, they no fit hide them anymore. God, keep exposing all of them. Expose all of them. And no be Queen May fault. As Queen May is glowing, as Queen May is growing higher, everything that is not supposed to be in Queen May's way, God, please remove it. Choke them. Let shame catch them. Because these people, they have become mad principalities and powers. They have become what? Mad principalities and power. Always wanting to come and carry our beautiful Queen May down. Some friends are Judas. They come around you to get information. Immediately they get the information that they want. They now show themselves. May should be very, very careful. May, your enemies plenty. Queen May enemies plenty. Fake friend. Now God go buy you. No wonder God carry man give you where you go to feed. Where you go to feed. Man, where no they walk. Hi. This Anita, no see I'm coming, no. God has a way of exposing bad people. She was just pretending now. She don't see say she be one use Queen May. May nation get fans. Una know say Anita Joseph don't come off for road. When they talk people for industry, nobody they count Anita Joseph. Jealousy. She's envious of Queen May. Now jealousy. Queen May run far away from Anita Joseph. Queen May know yourself, no because so. Now jealousy go by Anita Joseph. Where they like snake, we get two head. That small boy where you marry, where you snatch from another woman. Anita Joseph, please focus on that boy. Focus on now. If you are like Queen May nation come for you, mean advice I advise you. If Queen May nation come for you, you go regret the day you set eyes on Queen May. Because what is this? Carrier of bad news. Anita Joseph is really a carrier of bad news. Imagine the kind of thing where she dey talk. Is the fact that Anita Joseph witnessed everything. How can you be a friend to Queen May? Then you go and be a friend to her enemy. You see how they snatched Queen May's husband. You see how they frustrated Queen May. You see how they came and danced on social media when Queen May's son died. Now that kind of person go be your friend. My sister, we are not saying you should inherit Queen May's enemy, but loyalty first. Loyalty first, more talk am. Anita Joseph, you know try, you be ikpi. You be ikpi. And you won't come claim friend. I have no problem with Jide Austin. Who asks you? Who asks you? But now God do. Now so God they carry expose them. I have no problem with Jide Austin. They've moved on. Queen May have moved on. Why? Who asks you? Will you shut up your mouth? Anita Joseph, shapeless body. Anita Joseph, I want to ask you a question. What kind of a friend were you? I be the way they shame Queen May, you be like am. Or you know expect say Queen May go come pass you for progress. Haha. This life no be competition. No be competition. As Queen May don't pass you, you for just find somewhere to go sit down. Yes, you for go find somewhere sit down. Person wey don't pass you, don't pass you. But as madness don't relocate you, and so God go dey expose all of una. Shame on you, Anita Joseph. Shame on you. You are never Queen May's friend. You only came there to make Queen May nation to follow you and make you popular. And very soon, you'll be popular that you will run away and hide. God help Queen May. Let's be praying for Queen May Edochie.